Hi guys, welcome back again. Welcome back to another case study. So this is just a brief, let's say recap, should I call it a recap on how this trade played out, right? So earlier today, when I sent out this trade to the members on both the public channel, I saw this trade around this point. Okay, fine. So we're selling from here, sold from here, came out here, sold again from here, came out here, and price went to this point. So when price got to this point, uh, it was already Asian low around this same time. Is currently at this moment when I'm shooting this video. This is 1 a.m., 1:07 a.m., 1st of December 2023. So it was already Asian session that was yesterday, being the 30th, like 29th/30th of November 2023. So price got to this point and was consolidating around Asian session. So I set a pending order here, but I didn't take this trade, which it got activated around here, right? Price got it got activated around here, went up, came back here to this point, right? And now it was already London session. That was around, let's say, about 9 a.m. London session, yeah, 9 a.m. on the 30th of November 2023, around here. So I had to send the pending order here. I told them, I said, okay, I'll be looking forward to um to sell Gbpusd. So I called out this trade here. I sold, risking 15 pips stop loss first, right? Was it 15 pips? No, it was 10 pips stop loss. Sorry, I was risking 10 pips stop loss. Yeah, I was risking 10 pips stop loss. So, right, I was risking 10 pips stop loss around there. So I told them to jump in on this trade. So we took the trade as not depending on this time around, but as an instant market order. Like so, we started selling. Now, the reason why I called for a sell because I've been anticipating this guy to sell. I was teaching my mentees for like in one of our classes. I told them, okay, on the higher time frame, I've been anticipating Gbpusd to buy for a bit. I told them I want to see about 500 pips move, and that was what price delivered exactly. So now I was looking to sell from anywhere around here or here. So I was just selling at a discounted price, like just selling, selling, selling. So I said, okay, at this point, I want to start selling off. Now, reason because if we look at it very well on the higher time frame, let's go to the daily time frame. We'll notice that firstly, price gave us a head and shoulder pattern, right? And first, we were selling back then. We sold from this point to this point, and we bought from this point to this point, right? But now we didn't trade every day, but we took major moves from this market, right? So now I saw this move and I'm like, okay, I'm expecting price to deliver at this point because I spotted out another head and shoulder pattern here, right? So I spotted out another head and shoulder pattern that was printing out left shoulder, neckline, head, right neckline. So right shoulder, then I want to see price redistribute, right? So that was why I spotted out that easy. So I was like, okay, since I'm anticipating this move, anywhere around here, I want to start selling. So when price got to this point, I was very skeptical about buying continuously. So let's take it down to the 4 hours. So that was when I saw price started rejecting around this supply zone. I was like, okay, it's time for us to start selling, right? Or I won't go aggressively because it's just normal, it's just giving us a normal move, not a clear direction yet, right? So it's like, okay, let's scale it down. So when I saw price at this point, price created already triple top. I said, okay, I'm anticipating this sell. Price has been refusing to break this high, refused to break this high. I said, okay, fine, take the risk, we'll jump into it here. Now I saw a liquidity sweep around here. I saw a liquidity sweep that gave me my first confidence. And when price went back up, I said, okay, it's time for us to continue selling. And currently, price gave us, we jumped out of this trade around 99 pips. Yes. So if you calculate it from here, price gave us about 99 pips, right? See it here, 99 pips. So we took our profit around here. I still want to see price go back up for a bit, like go back up to anywhere around here, right? Then continue selling. Yes, that's what I want to see price do. That's what I want to. That's what I'm anticipating this guy to do. GBP Now, if you look at it on the higher time frame, also you see first, second. Now we want to get third touch ball. I want to see us break down to these levels, taking out all these guys here, right? Taking out all the liquidity we're spotting out, all of them, or everybody want to spot out this liquidity being taken out, everybody, and we're going to the downside, downside, downside. So that's for what's the name? GBP So now let's go back down to NZD card, right? Let's go back down to NZD card. NZD card. So NZD card right now, right? Just similar thing. So on this guy, what just happened? Similar pattern. Price overall, this guy is bullish. Yes, NZD card is bullish. So now I'm expecting retracements to around this region, then start buying now. This is more like a break and retest strategy where you see price broke out impulsively, right? Let's go down to the higher time frame so we see things clearly. So now this is more like a break and retest strategy, right? So now at this point we've broken, right? We retested, but it's not a premium retest, so it broke out. So now I want to see price deliver to around this point before we buy. Now, if you look at it also, this is a daily supply. This is a daily supply. If you check it very well, this is a daily supply here. So call this the daily supply, right? Daily supply zone around here. So now I saw that price delivered around this point and started rejecting around the daily supply. I said, okay, it's time for us to start selling off for a bit. Now, if you look at it, we have a daily high, and I spotted it. I was like, okay, time for us to just start selling. Now, I was skeptical about selling or being among the quick sellers, right? So I had to chill. I set the pending order here first. I set the pending order around here, and I sent out the signal for everybody around here. So open two position, opened one here and opened one here, and both of them activated. And this was a sniper entry, and this was just a continuation, just like that. So we sold, I guess, from this point to this point, we sold about almost 55 pips, if not more, 55 pips or 50 to 55 pips from this point around here. So okay, 56 pips, almost 57 pips. Okay, so and from this point we sold about, this should be around 45 pips thereabout, because this risk here was from this point it was 20 pips stop loss, from this point it was 15 pips stop loss. So from here to here was 49 pips. See it. So I took this trade. We jumped out at this point because this was already the close of New York session around here. So it was New York session was about to close around here. So I had to jump out because I barely trade Asian session. So I had to jump out around here. And yeah, so at this point, after taking my profit here, price deliver went back to the entry, which I anticipated. I anticipated price to go back up here to super liquidity. And I didn't re-enter. No, I didn't. But as you can see, price already went back up. So price might still go back here and continue selling to the downside. Now, another thing I also I posted this thing, the signal on Twitter. I posted my buyers and what I expected. Now, this was just what I was anticipating, delivery on price ASAP, like no stress. Remember, we had the breakout. That's at this point here. We had the breakout like this. We had a little pullback, continue like this. We had small delivery on price, just little liquidity build, right? And we took our price, and now I want to see us come back down here, right? Want to see us come back down here, then go. No much stress, just this is what I'm anticipating. So now currently you guys can notice that, okay, fine, this is where we are right now. At this point, this is here. I want to see us deliver back down to this point, this premium, then start going back up. Now, this is just a simple, more like a break and retest strategy and sweep of liquidity, right? So I just hope this video will be beneficial to anybody watching this right now. But personally, I just want to journal this trade here and also post it out for people to also use this and learn how to take certain trades. This is just one of the easiest strategy for those people struggling when it comes to finding a strategy. Now, this is what I do. I teach people this in my mentorship, how you just trade and grow and develop your own strategy if need be. What the but one thing I'll tell you for sure is I'll teach you how to read the market at institutional level without stress. Help you build your confidence and you just become a better version of yourself and become a profitable trader. And feel free to join my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description. And if you find any of all these videos interesting, kindly subscribe and like to my video. And also do not forget to follow me also on all my social platforms, Instagram at Prince_Echo2 and Twitter at Prince Echo 2. No space for the Twitter, no underscore, just Prince Echo 2. Then on Instagram, Prince_Echo 2. Do well to hit this subscribe button, like, and as you already know, Echo is active.